In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through your Shopify store and manage your products efficiently. This is a crucial step for anyone looking to streamline their e-commerce operations. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your store's admin page. Once you're logged into Shopify, you'll see the main dashboard, which gives you an overview of your store's performance, recent activity, and other helpful insights. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with this layout because it serves as the command center for all your store operations. Once you're ready, look to the sidebar. Here you'll find a variety of options to help you manage different aspects of your store. Next, what you need to do is click on the Products tab. This section is dedicated to all the products you currently have in your store, as well as those you might want to add in the future. Whether you're adding new items, updating inventory, or adjusting prices, this is the place to do it. The next step involves going to the Collections tab. Collections are essentially groups of products that make it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. Whether it's organizing by product type, season, or even upcoming sales events, setting up collections can really enhance the shopping experience. Once you're within the Collections section, let's say you want to manage a specific collection like New Test. Click on this to open up further details and options regarding the products grouped under this collection. Now it's time to handle individual products. Suppose there's a particular product listed under New Test that you want to examine more closely or update. Just click on that specific product. This brings up a detailed page filled with information about the product where you can edit various entries. If you're working with multiple similar products, it's important to note the small differences between them, which might not be obvious at a glance. Double-check everything, like descriptions and pricing, to ensure consistency across your store. It's all too easy to make a small error that could affect your customers' shopping experiences. So, paying attention to these details is crucial. Once you're happy with the changes made to that product, make sure to save your work by clicking on the Save button. This will ensure all your updates are live and ready for your customers to see. And remember, you can always come back to make further edits as needed. And there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide on navigating your Shopify store to manage your products more effectively. Remember, running an online store is an ongoing effort that requires attention to detail and a willingness to consistently improve. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling!